It only takes 6 tools: the drain pan to catch the oil, a 17mm socket for the drain plug, a 27mm socket for the oil filter housing, a 10mm socket for the belly pan, and a 1/2 inch or 3/8 drives torque ratchet, so you can make sure to torque them down to spec. Then you'll need the oil filter. I'm going to go with a WIX filter WL10033. And last but not least, the oil. All right, so from the top, we're going to take off the engine oil cap. Locate the lift points on your Telluride. Lift from the pinch weld. The belly pan should have 8 screws. With the belly pan removed, the oil filter housing is exposed, and so is the drain plug. All right, let's take off the drain plug. The WIX oil filter comes with the crush washer that you'll want to take off the old drain plug and replace with the new one. Go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Next, you'll torque it to 25 foot-pounds. All right, next up is the oil filter. With the filter housing disassembled, you can now replace the gasket that comes with the filter. But you'll want to start by pulling out the old one. Actually, I'll pull this out for now. Drop the new one in. You want to put a little bit of oil on this gasket so that it doesn't bind up as you're torquing it down. All right, it latched in and it's good to go. We're done at the bottom, so we can actually pull the jack out now. Last but not least, fill it up with 7 quarts of oil. At about 6 quarts, I'm going to pull out the dipstick just to see what the level is at. The dipstick reads full, but I'm going to run the engine and then let it sit for about 10 minutes to make sure I get an accurate read. All right, so it's about 10 minutes. See, it's a little low, just below the full line. Probably another 1/2 quart, and we should be good. With the engine running, hit the setup button on the dash. Then on the screen, hit vehicle. Navigate to convenience. Under service interval, hit reset, and then hit yes. And now the service interval has been reset. You shouldn't get the warning next time you turn on the car, and you're all good. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave comments below for the next person in case there's something I missed. All right, thanks everyone. Hope your oil change goes good.